Got a 2020 Toyota Highlander. Going to show you where the cabin filter is and how to pull it out. It's going to be behind your glove box here. First step, open up the glove box. Right here you have a damper you're going to need to disengage just by pulling on it. And right here on the sides of the glove box you have some stoppers right here. You're going to need to pull the glove box in to get around that. There's one on this side here. You're going to need to pull it in also. Then the whole door will come off pretty much just by pulling on it. And your cabin filter is located in this box you have right here. All you got to do is on the sides here is push these tabs together, squeeze them, and the door will come right off. And then pull out the filter, and you're going to end up reusing what's holding the filter right here. Just pulling the filter element out of its little holder. If you need one of these filters, there'll be a link down in the description box below. Once you get your new one, just throw it in there, and then replace it. Put everything back together in reverse order.